Technology. What is this?
That there is a lot of disadvantages of technology.
That there are many people who are exploiting
But-
everything. You
but-
cannot fight from
So
those
it
people
is
who are
completely
exploiting.
depend on
That makes us connected. That the benefit of technology.
it depends
I
on
told
the
at that
access
point
of
that
the people.
everything
It
has its
depends
own
on the
bad.
access of the people.
सो हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज नीरज और मैं इस एकेडमी का एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हूं और साथ ही साथ में आज हमारे साथ ये बैच मौजूद है जिसका नाम है टाइटंस और हम करने वाले हैं एक डिबेट जिस डिबेट का टॉपिक है क्या टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे पर्सनल रिलेशंस के अंदर दूरियों का कारण बनता है या फिर वो हमें पास लेके आता है। चलिए इस डिबेट के माध्यम से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Technology. What is this? It is the foundation of humans at this point. In this era, we are using technology in everything. Well, according to the topic, my team believes that technology is making us people more connected with the help of bringing us closer. So I feel so that our relationships are getting better with the help of technology. I would elaborate it for you guys, which is that you can use many apps, you can use many type of technologies available right now, so that you can talk to people away who are away. For example, I can call my maternal grandfather who is 500 kilometers away without sending any letter, without sending any pigeon. For that, I can just call, ring up his phone, and then I can talk to him in just 10 seconds. It would just take a small time. So technology is bringing everyone closer rather than keeping them isolated for time.
I do agree that there is some benefits of technology, but just like a coin, there is second side of that. The side is that there is a lot of disadvantages of technology. Like we all know that it is just creating, it is just increasing your screen time, and just because your screen time is increasing, because of that you are not going to interact with people socially. It is somewhere decreasing your social interaction with the people. Just because of that, you are going to face a lot of issues in your life. For an example, we all know that there is a lot of people present who are somewhere having discussion with you, but at the same time they are looking into phones, which is a great example of that thing, that yes, you are somewhere lacking in terms of communication skills, you are somewhere lacking in terms of individual.
Every coin has two sides. It is same with the technology. But it is upon the second person who is using. It is upon the person who is using technology. You are on your phone and scrolling and you are scrolling reels. It is up to you. It is not what your mobile phone is telling you to do. These are the distractions you people create, and not the mobile phone. Mobile phone is just a medium. Uranium is a very radioactive material, and it is still used in two ways: either in bombs, atomic bombs, or either in nuclear reactor, which help you to make energy. So it is upon you how do you use technology. It is a small thing which you have to use responsibly, because internet is growing rapidly, and there is no place in this world where people are not exploiting things. You cannot blame a single thing because it is being exploited. It is the people who are exploiting it, and it is not the root cause of people not using technology right now. You are fully dependent on technology. You cannot do anything right now without technology. You have to go for technology in every way.
Technology doesn't limit itself to the mobile phone only. It is the bleeding edge of technology, but still, technology means a lot. Technology means globalization. The trade that we do every day, it's the part of technology. The industries we have established, it is the technology. The communication we are having right here, it's come out a result of technology. Technology is building up connections every day. Technology is making us more better. And we have reached a point that we can talk to technology right now. We can make connections with the technology. We are talking about artificial intelligence. It's the bleeding edge of technology, and it is all packed in your mobile phone. It may be making you isolated for a time, but it is making you more aware of the connection that you need. It makes you more aware of the connection that you have to build with your parents, with your family members, with your friends. It is making you more connected to the public, to the environment, to the surrounding that you are living in. Technology doesn't make you isolated, it makes you connected to the people and the world.
As you have mentioned that technology is helping us in many ways. I totally agree with the point that technology is helping us, but the topic is it really making us connected to the world? But in my opinion, it is really making us isolated from the world. You are connected to a screen, not to a real-time person. You are talking to a screen. In today's era, everyone is. I want to give you an example. Like if you had a doubt in a particular topic, you go and ask the AI to solve that doubt. You are not going directly to the mentor. That is decreasing the relationship between a student and a teacher. And in the same way, if you are talking about social media and other interactions, you are just getting interacted with socially interacted, not like in-person meeting. The in-person meetings are decreasing very rapidly at that point, at this time.
The connection doesn't mean the physical touch. Connection means sharing of information that you carry and your person in front of you. You're talking to them carrying that information. Talking about the teacher and student relationship, it means a lot more than that. Asking silly questions. It means making deep conversations out of something else, out of something that is very important to discuss. If I'm talking about AI, I need to get information out on that topic, so I can talk to my mentor, talk to my teacher that this is a way that we can improvise it, we can modify it. If I do not have the information, I won't be able to talk to that person, and that technology helps us getting the information to build up connections. And again, I say connection isn't physical contact, it's the sharing of information between two people.
Let me correct your definition of connection. Connection doesn't mean that you are just only sharing information with people. Somewhere connection means emotions. Emotions a mother is having with a son, a sister is having with his brother. These emotions are important in conversation, in relationships. Humans are just made up of emotions. Humans are totally emotional. So it is important to have emotional connection and emotional discussion with each other. You can't do emotional discussion with AI. You can't have a conversation with AI when it comes to your emotional and mentality. For understanding the society, for making yourself grow, for improving yourself, you have to understand that thing that yes, technology is not going to help you in improving your relations.
But actually, you're quite wrong, because our world is not limited to our own family. What technology is doing is actually building up a cosmopolitan environment. You know, we are now able to imagine a world where we are able to connect with new people who might have been strangers if we had not been able to connect with them. Thanks to technology, now we are able to connect with them globally. You know, now we can just go on a social media platform. So we can go on multiple social media platforms. We can observe people's ideas and get to know their mentality, and also build up our thoughts according to the videos that we see on social media platforms. And at the same time, we can also talk to people. It is not like we are isolating ourselves from others.
I think
rather than that, we are connecting ourselves with others.
Okay, I think social media definitely provides you a chance to interact with many people, but don't you think social media doesn't teach you how to filter people? You definitely get to interact with many people, but you don't know how to filter the people, how you can choose everyone. There are many youngsters who are blindly fall in love, who are blindly fall in cheating. They don't know how to prevent themselves from scams, and scams are also the part of technologies and not the part of the social media good impacts. I think
somewhere it's come with the awareness too, that people are not aware that how to use the technology, but once you know it, you are well aware about the using technology and building relation. It always comes with like a person that to whom you are comfortable with that. Moreover, in this time that we all are suffering from the lack of time, and we don't have the time management. So what we do in this time is doing all this stuff, we just directly go with the technology and talk to our person.
but you are talking about it depends on how to use technologies. I think you are not aware with the fact that the people who are working in banks can get cheated on money. Do you think they don't know about accounts? They don't know about mobile phones? They definitely do, but they still got cheated. And come to your point that people can use a good use of uranium and bad use, but you forget how terrorist people can use uranium to complete a disaster to the life and to the environment. And there's one more thing. There's one more thing. It depends
I
on
told
the
at that
access
point
of
that
the people.
everything
It
has its
depends
own
on the
bad.
access of the people.
I've told already, Didi. I've told already that there are many people who are exploiting
But-
everything. You
but-
cannot fight from
So
those
it
people
is
who are
completely
exploiting.
depend on the
So
access.
it is completely
and-
dependent. So I should not go to the bank because they are cheating. They are cheating on
But
my
not
account.
all the
I
bank,
should not go
but
to the
it
bank.
depends upon
Answer.
the access.
Give me
it depends
answer.
on the access.
Shouldn't
mobile
I-
phones,
shouldn't
mobile
I-
phones and
shouldn't-
technologies
shouldn't I
are
go to a bank if
accessible
they
to
are
all
cheating
the
me?
age of the
Shouldn't
child.
I go to a bank if they are cheating me?
Then you can
Give the
consider
answer.
not
Give the
to go.
answer.
I'm talking about the
Instead of
access. I'm
making
talking about the access.
instead of
Let me
making-
finish my
or
point
instead
first.
of finding out the faults of technology, start proving that how technology makes us isolated. We have proved our side that technology builds connection, and you are unable to prove that it makes us isolated. Like, come to the point directly instead of
Okay.
scamming
I
and
can
terrorism all.
I can
Thanks.
prove it. Nowadays, people are directly going to AIs and talking. They are getting love. They are talking to AI girlfriends. If I talk about nowadays, but if I talk about the interaction, social interaction, it has been replaced by AIs, and this is how we are not connected with our own friends. We are not sitting with our friends. We are not speaking in English. We are not practicing in English. Why? Because we are having apps like Duolingo and all the English speaking apps.
Like,
We are
I have a
using
wonderful
it.
example for that. You know, yesterday, or you can say day before yesterday, I found that the Microsoft Copilot can talk to you in real time. Means I can talk to a Copilot like I'm talking to you. That's the benefit of technology that we are having. We can share information.
So I
asked
want to
him
answer
about
your
the
question.
love
Let it-
and the
I
affection.
want to
He
prove the
directly
point.
told me that love
Please.
is something else. Love is
Please.
more than affection. Like, this much information I can get, and I can implement that information in the real world. That makes us connected. That's the
I
benefit
want
of
to prove my
technology
point
that I am
that
getting.
how technology is making us isolated. If you take an example of a 5-year-old child, he does not go to a playground to play. He just watch videos in his phones, and that is the reason technology making us isolated. Children are staying away from parks and going to playground. They are just sitting with the phone and playing around. This is also isolating them
that
from
is
their
that is
parents
completely
also.
a different perspective, because it also comes with technology, also comes with supervision. You know, you have to manage supervision. At the same time, you have to provide technology with the right optimum time, because when a child is exposed to technology, he gains experience, he learns, he gets a sort of awareness in his mind. Compare it to the times when we did not have technology. What was the main means of communication? We used to communicate through letters. It used to consume so much of our time, and we did not have any chance to communicate with people, and we could not even see a single person around us, and we could not connect much. That is the one prime reason, and it
Okay,
has been contributing so much.
I want to tell you an example. You are
first.
like, you
Let
are
me
just
complete my
diverting from the
point first,
topic.
please.
Let me complete.
Okay.
Let me say something. Like Nitin said prove that somewhere technology is isolating people. So let me tell you one example of that. The great example is that what is the need of having interaction with those people who lives 200 kilometers far from you. At the same time, you are not even know that who is your neighbor. You are not even know that who is your friends. You are just trying to have interaction with those people who are so much far from you, and you are not having interaction with those people who lives with yourself.
You also have chatbots available.
Listen, let me complete my point.
Let me answer you for that.
No, I want to complete my point.
You were saying that why do we need to even communicate? Wait, you said that why do we even need to communicate with people who are living 200 kilometers away? But you don't need anyone for that. You can have AI chatbots available.
Listen.
Let me tell you something. When a person is actually feeling so down in his life, he needs a person to communicate. And when nobody is available,
When a person feels so down in his life, when he has nobody to have a discussion.
actually is
listen. Let me counter that point. Let me counter that point. Let me counter that point.
Interaction.
You're not letting me counter your point. Like you said, when a person is so down in his life, he needs someone to have an interaction. He's feeling so down because in reality he has no one to have a discussion. That's why he is trying to search on a social media. That's why he is exploring on social media for a new friends, because in real life he is not able to have a single friend who is going to understand what he wants to say. You are not understanding the point. The point is that in reality people are not having someone to discussion. That's why they are trying to explore, and that's why they are trying to have a discussion outside of social media.
Those are just thinking or imaginary points. Those are not reality in this world. Let's talk some realities which are there. If you talk earlier times or in the history, that is there when the letter used to there means there no communication.
You are just saying the same point what he said.
No,
You are just saying the same point what he said.
There used to not communication.
I think you don't have point.
Wars were much. If you know the wars were increased in the past time, comparing this time, we are having connection or globalized with the other countries. So
The reason is technology. The reason is technology because at the listen. You are not letting me complete. At the previous time, there was not a huge weapons like the present time. We all know that a single atomic bomb can destroy a single country. So technology is somewhere harming. We are not talking about technology. We are talking about human relations. Like I said before, just prove me wrong that a person always tries to explore on social media because in reality he has no one to have a discussion. That's why people are trying to have discussion outside of the world. Just give me a right. Just give me an example of that. You are not.
From the social
You are diverting from my point. You are diverting from my point. Just give me a right example of my point.
From the social media you can
Let me add on something to that. You know, relations are not only limited to personal relationship. It is also about building a business relationship and also global relationship at that. You know, due to technology, we are able to present our ideas on a global platform, and we are able to come up with creative ideas. Humans have become so creative now thanks to technology, and it is helping us build up. It is helping us to foster a good and healthy relationship, and also at the same time it is also spreading an agenda of spreading peace and love at the same time. So technology is helping us to build up good healthy relationship.
Okay, I think people nowadays using too much social media, too much mobile phones and many other technologies. But do you know how people could be most annoyed and irritating, and it will definitely affect the relations not only within your family but your family members, with your office environment and all the other people with whom you are going to interact anywhere. And social media and technologies which not only make you feel more communicated, but it will make you more isolated. It will make you take less initiatives towards the actual people in the real world. So that I think that social media or the technologies can only make you people interact with people who are actually living far, but it will make you distant to the people who are living around you, within your family, within your society, within your business members, your office members. So I think it is good at beginning, but nowadays people are actually too much distant with the use of the technologies.
तो आई होप गाइस कि आपको इस वीडियो के थ्रू बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा और साथ ही साथ में आपने दोनों ही टीमों के ओपिनियन को भी सुना। आप अपनी राय जरूर कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं कि आपके क्या विचार हैं इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, और क्या आपको सही में लगता है कि जो टेक्नोलॉजी है वो हमें और हमारे पर्सनल रिलेशंस को आइसोलेट करती है या फिर हमारे बीच के कनेक्शंस को बढ़ाती है। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कनेक्टिंग विद अस। और अगर आप अपनी लैंग्वेज के साथ साथ अपनी पर्सनालिटी और हॉलिस्टिक अप्रोचेस पे काम करना चाहते हैं, वो तो कट हो जाएगा। And if you really want to improve your English language along with, and if you really want to improve your communication skills and want to work upon your English language, so guys, do join us and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.